welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing that I've received. I've just taken it out of the box and put it on the table, and I'm going to show you what I received in this order. So we got bubble wrap, bubbles. I got the Tombow Mono Air Touch. I haven't used this one yet. I've heard a lot of things about it, so I thought maybe I better get it. So I did. It also is refillable as well. So maybe when I get a refill, I will do a video on how to do it. So I got that. I got the simple Serif Uppercase. I'm not 100% sure if it's still available. If it is, I will put it down in the description. But it is Z3760. And this is the uppercase one. And I also got the lowercase, which is Z3761. So I got the uppercase and the lowercase, so I can do my titles. I also got stamp of the month for July, I think it is. And I also got a paper pack because I was after a specific colour to do one of my layouts, which I think was, let me have a look, I'll know it when I see it, which was Glacier. I just wanted a few layouts. There's a photo that I want to do with my daughter, but I thought I was happy with this paper pack. It is called Happiest Place CC7201. So it is a paper pack and sticker sheet. So what you're looking at here is the stickers. I'm not sure if I'll use all of them, but they will end up going into my sticker collection in case I have one that I may want to use, whether it is the bow, happy, 100% fun, my happy place, good times, what a ride, which I can probably incorporate some of these stickers in a show that we just went, because we went to a local show, so I'll be able to use these stickers in that layout when I get to that. So that's all I got in this order. I do have other orders coming and more videos to show you. Alright then guys, thanks for watching. Bye.